Maldonado from Ampronix, and I am the QC Service Manager here. And today I'll be showing you guys how to unlock the OSD for the MDT1900 manufactured by Chilin, and also it's for the GE Precision 500. So in order to unlock the OSD, you need to hold the menu and left arrow simultaneously, and you'll see the OSD locked, and you'll hold it until it says OSD unlocked. Once it's unlocked, you can go ahead and press menu, and you should be able to access the menu features.